If your emails keep landing in spam, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news? Most of it is fixable. Let me walk you through exactly how to avoid spam filters using 5 proven steps. Step 1. Authenticate your domain. Before you send a single email, make sure your domain is verified with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. If that sounds technical, it is. But your email platform, like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit, will guide you through it. These records tell inbox providers, yes, this sender is real. Without them, your emails are basically flying blind. Step 2. Use a recognizable from name and address. Spam filters and readers both hate vague or shady-sounding senders. Use a professional email, no reply at, and make the from name clear. Ideally, use a real person's name plus the brand. Example, Sarah from Clarity CRM is way more trustworthy than Offers Team. Step 3. Watch your language. Certain words scream spam to both filters and humans. Avoid using phrases like free money, act now, click here urgently, or anything with all caps and excessive punctuation. Also, your subject line matters. Don't trick people into opening. Curiosity works, but deception kills trust and open rates. Step 4. Balance text and images. If your email is all image, or if it's 90% HTML code, that's a red flag. Spam filters prefer text-heavy, clean emails with just enough formatting. A few bold headers are fine. 1 or 2 small images, great. But don't send a giant flyer disguised as an email. Also, always include a plain text version of your email. Most platforms auto-generate it, but double-check. Step 5. Make it easy to unsubscribe. Here's a mistake that ruins sender reputations: hiding or removing your unsubscribe link. It's better someone unsubscribes than reports you as spam. So always include a clear, working unsubscribe option. Better yet, let them adjust frequency instead of leaving entirely. Bonus tip: warm up your domain. If you're sending from a brand new domain, don't start blasting 10,000 contacts. Warm it up by gradually increasing your sends over a few weeks. Build trust with inbox providers like Gmail and Outlook. Wrap up. Avoiding the spam folder isn't just technical. It's about building trust and consistency. Authenticate your domain, write like a human, avoid shady language, balance your format, and let people opt out peacefully. If you found this helpful and want a full spam-proof checklist, I've linked a free download below. Also, subscribe if you're serious about fixing your email game once and for all.